Okay, mga wall sartu de sartu esta barashu sishu detalaga ya dade detalaga sishu यहाँ आएंगे तो here we will connect this one first. We will go here. Now it is in cam 3. Okay, I will connect this one, and then I will change the value 1919. Okay, now I will connect this one. Yeah, we go to configure. After configure, this is a model which we are using cam 3. Okay, I will press next, then make it continues, make next. Okay, it is interrupting the instrument. Once it is connected, it will make like this. Okay, now I will go next, synchronize, and next. Already we are making 1 minute. Okay, both direct and lag, and today date. Next, if we want to make it 00, already one is there. Next, and I will make it finish. Okay, once it is finished, then we will start run, and we will go to home terminal, make it finish. Once it take one, once it take the reading, then we can make it downside. Already connected here. Already connected here. Here it is connected. Then we'll once it take yes, it take the first reading. Now I will remove this cable, put the other cable, and make.